Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to model the Chongqing Gaoke Group Office by Aedas. It's a very simple building. So first we're going to start with a box at the origin. And it will be 40 meters by 18 meters with a height of 165. Now we're going to select these two faces here. So shift, control, and then click them. And then we're going to remove them, delete them. And then we're going to extend these pieces here. So we're going to extrude them. So shift, control, and then we're going to use the gumball and the little blue circle. We're going to click it. And this is going to extrude it whatever length we want. So we want 20 meters. And then we want to do the same for the top. And now to get that crazy curve here, what we're going to do is we're going to blend surf. And then it's going to create a blend between those two surfaces, and we're just going to keep the settings. And then we want to make this into one surface, so to do that, we're going to merge. And that looks good. Now after that, we're going to close up these ends here so that we can create the closed poly surface. So we're going to split the edge. And we're going to do it till the intersection for both the vertical and then the curved line. And then to select the edge, we're going to shift control and click them. And then we're going to planar surface them. And we're going to do the exact same process to the other hole, all the way to the intersection. All right, now all we have to do is join it together, and then we got a closed solid poly surface. Now that we have the small building, we need to make the larger building beside it. So to do that, we're going to start on the corner of the smaller building, and then we're going to do 40 meters again, and then it'll be 22 with a height of 200. And similar to the other process, we're going to do it but on the opposite end. And we're just gonna delete these faces and extrude these up 20 meters again. And just like before, we're gonna blend that surface here so we can get that curved surface we're looking for. And sometimes it'll blend on the other side. So you may just have to do it again. Until you get it right. There you go. And then everything, just keep the settings. And then we're going to merge that surface into one surface again. And then we're going to close this up. Select these edges and then planar surf it. And then the last part is to close this hole here. And we do the same process. And then planar surface. Now we're going to select the building and join it together. And then now we have two closed solid poly surfaces. And then the last step is to just offset this by 6 meters. This direction. 6 meters. And there we go. All finished. And then this is what the final form of the building looks like. And then you can start adding the details and so on and so forth, like the mullions and then the glass, to get the actual look you're looking for. And this is what it looks with, like the details, the glass, and the mullions.